So I'm up here on the Bainbridge Island ferry, just at the ferry terminal. I'm going to show you, most people when they go to the waterfront trail go to the other side, the west side of the terminal, which is kind of crowded and a little more residential industrial. But there's actually sort of a hidden trail that pops you out right over here. To get there, you go to the bottom of Irene Place Northeast. It's real easy to walk from here, and it's marked with a little brown sign that says Waterfront Trail. It's real nice. It's a more secluded beach. You can actually walk at low tide all the way around because the tidal plain there is public property, not private. Come check it out. Wow. This tiny little trail here. I think that goes to some houses this way to the beach. I've never been down this trail. It's kind of cool. Could be creepy. Could be walking into a trap. Oh, actually, it's looking really nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's beautiful. That was like the shortest trail I've ever been down. Awesome. Over there's the ferry dock. Very cool. Ah, so nice. I almost fell. It's slippery. Watch out. Canadian geese. Let me see your papers. I don't think you guys belong here. You guys know it. This guy, he's probably got a passport. Private property goes up to somebody's yard apparently. Actually not sure if I can get up over here. Might have to go back the way I came. The private property. Cool looking driftwood there. Oh, this is a sweet little shady spot. It's nice, cool and shady. Oh, there's a raccoon prints, I think there. Oh, there's probably something living in there. I'm not putting my hand in there. Oh, and here we have a pipe. Huh. Interesting. Oh, this is kind of cool. This looks like overgrown steps. I think those steps probably go up to somebody's property. It's getting harder and harder to get through here. I don't know. Might have to go back the way I came. Come a pretty long way already. I'm almost over to the ferry dock. It's beautiful down here. Haven't seen anybody down here on this beach. Just one lady in her yard. Right at the trail I came down on. Probably maybe I can sneak up through here. Kind of looks like there's might be a trail there. Not an official marked trail, but might be able to get through there. Get that way, but there's a fence. Jules was here. Again, the wind. Pan Am. Check this out. See if there's any cool graffiti. Oh yeah, I've been down to the beach on this side here. This is actually the ferry dock where they stash extra and broken down ferries, but they're not. It's not where you would catch a ferry. But I know there's access to get up over here. I've come down that way before, so that's cool. Now I found an entrance back the other way. Remains of an old dock, apparently. Oh yeah, I think I can get up here. Up to a parking lot. I'm not getting through there. Oh, here it is. Coming out by these condos. Oh, squirrel. Oh yeah, nice. All right. Charles Schmid Waterfront Trail. That's partly what I was on there. And then it goes along here. Eagle Harbor Waterfront Park. Yeah, very cool. That's it over there.